iPhone X is Apple's ridiculously big, ridiculously powerful 10th anniversary phone, and deals are finally available to order. If you're in the market to buy, then you've come to exactly the right place. We've collected of all the best iPhone X deals right here. Whether you're after the contract plan or want to buy the iPhone X SIM-free upfront, we've trawled the UK's most popular retailers and networks, so you know that you won't end up ordering an iPhone X now, only to get deal envy when you see that your mate managed to get a cheaper price. Whether you're after a big data deal to keep you streaming and surfing, or just want the cheapest iPhone X out there, you can use the comparison tools below to find your way to the best iPhone X deals. You'll see our hand-picked recommendations for the best deals below that. And if it's still just too expensive, then be sure to head to our best mobile phone deals page for the greatest deals on the iPhone X alternative.